Shake man.
Sorry, wala kasi kami maliit na lang.
Okay, sipakan ko. Okay, ang ating next na gagawin, Ate Olga, bigyan mo na sila ng...
Gagawin na ganyan lang. Kasi yan yung tama. Ituturo natin yung tamang way kung paano gumawa ng ganito mismo. Nasa harapan mo yung pinaka-crown dapat na.
Ayan, make sure kids na ang crown or yung may padrone sa tinapay or sa buns natin ay nasa harapan nyo. Ayan, correct. Okay, next. Magbibigay sa Ate Olga ng mustard or pwedeng ketchup lang. So it's your choice because it is your birthday. Ayan. Pwede naman kahit ayaw mo. Okay lang.
One for the mustard.
Make more burger na.
Ayoko ketchup.
You can put as much as you want. And if you want more ketchup, okay lang.
That's
Ay,
yayay.
ang galing ni Musika, ang daming mustard.
Gusto nga, put mo ako ng ano ito. Put mo ketchup si Yayay.
Okay.
More anak ko si yayay ng ketchup. Ayan na pala na. Yun, mustard natin? Later can I have mustard?
Okay, next. Ang next nating ilalagay ay pickles.
Not me! Not me! I hate pickles! Bro!
Ang galing ni Musika, lahat gusto niya.
Hindi naman siya kakain.
Pickles! Ew!
Ang tawag dyan, overload cheeseburger.
Want mo pickles na ka? I don't want pickles! Me too! Want cheese! I want banana! Okay na po yan! Burger overload yan! Wait mo po! Wait po, hold mo na! Hold mo itong spoon mo, baby. Get your spoon. Wow! Pickle? Ay! No, no. Hold mo na. Wow! Later, wait mo! I hope I don't get it. Meron po may gusto ng pickle.
Okay, meron pa po ba may gusto ng pickles? Addition. Pakainin niyo na.
Kainin nyo yan,
Make
ah.
sure.
Some pickles?
Ah.
I don't really love pickles. Lagay mo na anak. Ada. Ito na sila. They're dirty.
Bedran, ayan ang tinatawag na cheeseburger.
Adobo mo. Wow, very good. That's okay. Yay! Wala kang musika ilalagay. Yan kita anak ko.
Kanino mo ba yung burger na na-make mo?
Yan.
Hey!
Renzi. Krabby Patty.
Ha?
Krabby Patty.
Put mo yan.
Huwag niyo pong babalitarin, ha? Yan. Dapat yung...
Make mo yung burger. Like that, oh.
And then, ilagay po natin. Yan, put it in the center. Ayan, good job. Okay, and then, wait for my instructions.
Wow!
Okay, we need to...
Wow! Masika, oh, ganda oh. Wow, bali nga. Wow, thank you.